Hey guys, what is up? It's Ryan Sneaks. Wanted to give you guys an early look at the Nike Epic React Flyknit. This one right here is a college navy colorway. It looks like at the store we just got the college navy color. We didn't get the white one, but from what it looks like on Nike, they're saying that the white one is women's release only, which is kind of a bummer because I like that one a little bit better. But this is the one I'm going to be picking up. I went for a size 12 because 11.5 just fit a little bit tight. As you can see, it is just a one-piece upper. There's no tongue. So that's something to keep in mind if you're going to look for sizing. I would say go at least a half size up. The 11.5 fit just a little bit tight. You see it's just all Flyknit. Really, really nice. The Epic React, I guess it's just React. The foam on here is really comfortable. It's kind of similar to Lunarlon. Nothing really like Boost. I would compare it more to like Alpha Bounce. I would honestly say that the React foam on here is similar to like an Alpha Bounce, but squishier. Not as squishy as Boost, but a lot more responsive, if that makes sense. It's something you really need to check out in hand to see. And like I said, I went to a size 12 just because they fit a little bit tight. But this foam is really, really good for the price. It's a little bit better than Lunarlon, in my opinion. If I'm being just 100% honest, but it is a little bit better than Bounce. It's a little bit softer, but has the same bouncy feel. For $150, you really can't go wrong with this shoe. It's super, super nice. I like the colors on it. I'm going to end up picking this one up right here and try for the white pair on Nike. But I'm going to get this one here at my work just because I got my discount on it. So super excited for these to be coming out. Let me know down below if you guys are excited for this one to drop, if you're going to be picking up a pair. Like I said, Nike's doing that all white one for the Nike app members exclusively. But the white one with the blue and pink I think is women's only. So don't quote me on that, but that's what I read on Nike. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. When these do release and I am able to take these home, I'm going to do a full-on review for you guys and throw them on foot so you can kind of see what they look like. But that's going to be it for now. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.